So now with these strokes I'm going to show you how to paint a flower. Okay, now this is the center part of our flower. The same way I'm going to load my brush and dip in with white. So I'm going to add all these 4 kind of strokes. Okay, just start from here, press and release the pressure. If you drag it, you can get a little bit lengthy petal. Like I told you, just keep loading your brush. We're going to repeat the same stroke to paint the whole flower. And like I told you, keep loading your brush every time. That way you will get the clean edged stroke. If you learn the basic stroke, you will learn to control your brush and you can paint different types of flowers. Okay, you can leave as it is or you can add another layer of petals in between each petal. I mean in between 2 petals which we painted before. For the second layer, I am simply loading my brush with white so that will give the highlighted effect. So we are almost done with our first flower. Okay, inside this you can add any other color. So when we do our final project, I will show you how to add details to the center portion. So now I'm gonna use this stroke to create another type of flower. Before that, like I told you, you have to wash your brush completely. And now I'm gonna use my 1/2 inch flat brush to create a flower using this stroke. Just wash your brush first. And now I'm gonna load my brush, one tip with white, another tip with the darker shade I have. Just the same way, load your brush, 1, 2, 3 and come back. Just give pressure when you load your brush so that you can load it well. Okay, one more time, but before that let me load my palette. Again with both the colors. Slowly load your brush. Don't rush, just relax and enjoy the progress. Okay, now this is the center portion of our flower. Okay, just a dot. So imagine like a person have a head, hands, 2 hands, right, and 2 legs. We're gonna paint 5 petals. So I'm gonna start from here. Just do the teardrop stroke. Okay, we done painting the head. Now let's paint the hands. So I'm gonna paint over here, just this way. And I'm going to paint another hand just this way. And now I'm going to paint the legs. I'm going to start from here. So just this way. It's all about the teardrop stroke. And the last one over here, just gonna start from here and twisting and connected it. So that's it. We painted another flower. With the back side of the brush handle, you can add any color to create this dot. Okay, now with the same brush I'm gonna paint another type of flower using this stroke. Okay, so for this I'm gonna make a big circle, something like this, and now I'm gonna load my brush. Slowly, slowly, slowly load your brush. So now just mark like a V. Okay, leave some space in between that and mark above that V. Start from here, twist your brush and lean it. And I'm gonna connect it from top to bottom this way. We are using this stroke, okay? I'm going to repeat the stroke. You can either mark these points or simply paint the petal. If you are familiar with the stroke, you can directly paint the stroke, paint the petals, and you can always turn the paper for your comfortness. Just this way. We are repeating the same stroke again and again to create the complete flower. There are just few more petals left to paint. Try to do it along with me. If you got some paint stuck over here like this, just pick it up. And your petals doesn't need to be same. Not all the petals doesn't look alike. Okay, we are done with another flower. Okay. So with these stuffs, we're gonna paint a floral composition.